Let me give everyone an update on where we are in regard to the costs and how we're going to finance the first 10-acre phase of the park. First, as you may recall, when we signed the long-term partnership agreement with the City of Sarasota in April, we made an estimate of the cost of the first phase based on a preliminary version of the implementation plan, which was later approved by the City Commission in September. At that time, which was early this year, we estimated that the first phase capital cost would be $16 to $22 million for what we called a basic development plan, and $23 to $33 million for what we called an enhanced capital development plan. Right now, those are the best estimates that we have. As we bring on board Swift, our construction and development partner for the first phase, and as our planning team and their planning team work together with the city to finalize the site plan, we will have a much better, much clearer cost estimate by the end of this year, or certainly by early next calendar. That $16 to $33 million is capital cost. In addition, the Bay Park Conservancy has ongoing operating costs. So far, just as with the Sarasota Bayfront Planning Organization, the Planning Board, all of the operating costs of both the Planning Board and the operating costs of the Bay Park Conservancy to date have been funded by donations from foundations, from families, from philanthropists. And it looks like we will be able to fund the Bay Park Conservancy operations for the next couple of years while the park is being built out from those same sources. Finally, while we're building out the park, we will be working through what staff and resources we are going to need when we take over operation of the park in end 2021 or beginning 2022 as a partner of the city. We will be adding programming and events planning and sponsorship resources to go alongside the executive and project management resources and funding resources that we currently have in place. When we know what that organization is going to look like, and more importantly, when we've hired the capable, experienced professionals to do that job, as we've done with Sasaki, with Bill, with Veronica, and the rest of the team, we'll have a much better idea of what our going operating costs are. Finally, we are providing for maintenance. We are working with the city. The city is providing funds for what we call basic maintenance of the park, and we will be providing funds for enhanced maintenance. But if you step way back, we've been working on capital costs and operating costs from the beginning, planning ahead, estimating them as best we can every step of the way, and we have been committed to a pay-as-we-go process. In other words, we will not take on any capital development projects, nor will we take on any programming or activities that we do not have either cash or firm commitments to fund.